to Flash CS6. Chapter Connect, starting Flash, the Flash Workspace, the Selection Tools, Eraser Tool, saving a Flash document, closing a Flash document, creating a new Flash document, using the Flash tools, the coloring tools, text tool, opening an existing Flash document. Flash is an animation software package. It provides a versatile and easy way to create animation. We can make only object in Flash with animation and make movies with sound and action. Flash is one of the most popular technologies of the internet because it does not require programming skills. The animations and graphics created in Flash can be scaled to any size without losing clarity or quality. Starting Flash. To start Flash, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Start button and then All Apps. Step 2. Click on Adobe Master Collection CS6 and then on Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Step 3. The Adobe Flash window will appear on the screen. Step 4. Click on the Action Script 3.0 under Create New section to open the Flash document. Now, we are ready to build an application in Flash. We can create vector graphics and design elements with the drawing tools and import additional media elements such as audio, video, and image into our document. Creating a new Flash document. To create a new document in Flash, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File and then New. Step 2. New Document dialog box appears displaying the file types we can create in Flash Professional. Step 3. Click on the Action Script 3.0 file type if it is not already selected. Step 4. Click on OK. Step 5. The Adobe Flash New Document window appears on the screen. Now, we are ready to work with the master document, which uses the file extension .fls and thus called FLA file. The Flash Workspace. The stage. This is the rectangular workspace area where we place our contents or create our drawings or movies. By default, the stage size in Flash is 550 by 400 pixels. Menu bar. The menu bar contains controls for common functions and commands such as opening and saving files, etc. The Tools panel, it contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. Timeline. The timeline is a fixed window that stays on top of every object in the workspace. This is the area where graphics and elements are assembled in sequential order, allowing the user to view the order of events in sequence. The Properties panel. The Properties panel is a combination of various elements used for changing the settings like the stage size, the ruler unit, the background color of the stage and the frame rate. If the Properties panel is not visible, then we can select the Window, Properties option. Using the Flash tools. The Tools panel contains tools that are used to draw and edit objects. Once an object is used, we can modify it using different objects at the bottom of the panel. Let us learn to use some important tools in the Tools panel to draw the objects on the stage that we can later animate. Line Tool. The Line tool helps us to draw straight lines. Follow the steps given below to use the Line tool. Step 1. Click on the Line tool. Step 2. In the Property Inspector panel, select the color, thickness or line style as needed from the order of events in sequence. Step 3. Move the pointer on the stage. Step 4. Click and drag it in the direction where you want to draw a line. Step 5. Release the mouse button. You will get a line on the stage. Curving. You can turn a straight line into a curve with the Selection tool. Step 1. After drawing a line, click the Selection tool. Make sure the line is not selected. Step 2. Move the pointer on the line when the pointer change. Arrow with curve symbol. Click and drag the line to do curve. Step 3. Release the mouse button when the curve is made. Cyber fact. You can double-click the Eraser tool to delete everything on the stage. Rectangle tool. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shapes. It has an option which can be set to draw a rounded rectangle. Step 1. Select the Rectangle tool. Step 2. Select the properties for the stroke color, stroke style and stroke height from the Property Inspector. Step 3. Select the Fill Color tool and choose any color of your choice. Step 4. Hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage. As the rectangular shape is created, release the left mouse button. Step 5. To draw the rounded rectangle, specify rounded corners by clicking Round Rectangle modifier and typing a corner radius value in the Property Inspector. Step 6. Now draw a rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner settings. Pen tool. This tool is used to draw precise paths as straight lines or smooth flowing curves. We can also adjust the angle and length of the straight segments and the slope of curve segments afterwards. Step 1. Select the pen tool. Step 2. Click on the stage to define the anchor A. Step 3. Click to create a second anchor point B at a distance. To complete an open path, double-click the last point or click the pen tool in the Tools panel. To close a path, position the pen tool over the first anchor point. A small circle appears next to the place when it is placed correctly. Click or drag to close the path. Flash automatically fills the path once it becomes closed outline. Pencil tool. It is a freehand drawing tool. This tool helps to draw lines in 3 different modes: straighten, smooth and ink. Step 1. Select the pencil tool. Step 2. Select a stroke color, line weight and style from the Property Inspector panel and draw lines. Straighten. The default option is straighten. Straighten mode automatically straightens the line drawn by the pencil tool. Smooth. Smooth mode smoothens the jerks on the edges. Ink. Ink mode helps in freehand drawing with no modification applied. Polystar tool. This tool is used to draw polygon and star figures. Step 1. Select the drop-down menu of the rectangle tool. It will display a fly-out menu. Step 2. Select the Polystar tool. Step 3. In the Properties Inspector, click on the Options button. Tool Settings dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the drop-down list of Style option and select the star style. Step 5. Enter the number of slides. Enter the value from 3 to 32 for number of slides. Step 6. For star point size, enter the number between 0 and 1 to specify the depth of the star points. The selection tools. Selection tool. This tool is used to select a single or multiple objects on the stage. There are different ways to select different properties of an object. Step 1. To select a stroke, fill, text, block or group, select this tool and click on the object. Step 2. To select a filled shape and its stroked outline, double-click the fill. Step 3. We can select the filled shape and its outline either by dragging a square selection box around the object or by double-clicking the fill. Cyber fact. Eyedropper tool is used to fill an object with an exact color that you have used for another object. Lasso Tool. This is a freehand selection tool. We can use this tool to select irregular shaped areas of a drawing or a part of an object. This tool has 3 options. Step 1. Click the Lasso tool. Step 2. Move the pointer over the stage area. It changes to lasso shape. Step 3. Click and drag the lasso around the object until we reach the point where we started. Step 4. Release the mouse button. Subselection tool. This tool is used to select the nodes of an object. Step 1. After selecting this tool, click on an object and its nodes will appear. Step 2. You can change an object's shape using the nodes. Brush tool. It can be used just like a brush on a canvas. You can paint a shape with the desired color using the brush tool. You can specify the brush mode by selecting a brush size and shape using the brush tool modifier. Some of the options that are available with brush tool are as follows. Paint over lines and fills. Fills and empty areas leaving lines unaffected. Paints blank areas of the stage leaving lines and fills unaffected. Applies a new fill to the selection. Paints only the fills and doesn't allow you to paint outside the lines. Paint bucket tool. This tool is useful to fill enclosed areas of an object with colors in a single click. You can also use the paint bucket tool to fill the areas that are not completely closed. It also provides modifiers to close gaps in shape outlines. To fill color in an object, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the paint bucket tool. Step 2. Click the fill color drop-down arrow. The color palette appears. Step 3. Select any color of your choice and click inside the object. Ink bottle tool. It is used to change the stroke color, width and style of lines or shape outlines. Step 1. Select the ink bottle tool. Step 2. Choose the stroke color, style and thickness of lines or shape outline from Property Inspector. Step 3. Click on the line of the drawn object using the ink bottle tool to apply a different property to the stroke. Eraser tool. This tool helps you to erase lines and fills of an object from the stage. Step 1. Select the eraser tool. Step 2. Click on the eraser mode modifier and select the required eraser. Step 3. Click on the eraser shape modifier and select the eraser shape and size. Step 4. Click and drag it on the object to erase. The different eraser mode modifiers are as follows. Erase normal, Erases all lines and fills wherever the eraser is moved. Erase fills. Erase only the fill colors while lines are unaffected. Erase lines. It is used to erase the strokes only. Erase selected fills. Helps in erasing a selected part of an object. Erase inside. Erases the inner part of an object. Text tool. This tool is used to type on the screen. It allows you to add text in your drawing and animations. Step 1. Select the text tool. Step 2. Change the color, font, font size, etc. from the property inspector. Step 3. Click on any area of the stage to get the cursor and type the text. Step 4. Move and adjust the text box in the same way as we move the objects. Saving a Flash document. To save a Flash document for future use, follow these steps. Step 1. Click File and then Save option or press Ctrl+S. Step 2. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the folder to save and type the name of the file. Step 3. Click on Save button. Opening an existing Flash document. Open a Flash document using the following steps. Step 1. Click File and then Open option or press Ctrl+0. Step 2. The Open dialog box appears. Select the folder and the file .fla. Step 3. Click on the Open button. Closing a Flash document. To close a Flash document, Step 1. Click File and then Close option or press Ctrl plus W. Step 2. In case you have not saved the file, it will ask you whether you want to save the file or not. Step 3. Select Yes to save the document, No to exit without saving. To sum up, Flash is an animation software package. The stage is a rectangular workspace area where we place our contents or create drawing or movie. Timeline is the area where graphics and elements are assembled in a sequential order, allowing the user to view the order of events in sequence. The rectangle tool is used to create square and rectangular shapes. The Polystar tool is used to draw polygon and star figures. The line tool is used to draw straight lines. The selection tool is used to turn a straight line into a curve with the selection tool. The pencil tool helps to draw lines in 3 different modes. The lasso tool is used to select irregular shaped areas of a drawing or a part of an object.